In this video lesson, we will learn how to solve systems of linear equations using the elimination method. The two methods of solving systems of linear equations are the elimination method and the substitution method. First, remember that a system of linear equations has two variables and two equations. So we will solve this following example. 2x plus y equals to 3 and x plus 2y equals 7. So for the substitution method, we would pick one of these equations and pick a variable and solve for that variable, plugging this into the different equation. But we're going to do the elimination method. In the elimination method, we add one of the equations to the other, or subtract, in such a way so that we can eliminate one of the variables. So for example, if we take 2x plus y equals 3, we see that there's a 2x there, while in the other equation there's a 1x. So we multiply the equation with just x plus 2y by 2. If we multiply by 2 on both sides, the equality remains true. So now we're going to have another equation which has a 2x in it, but it's going to be a different equation. More specifically, it's going to be 2x plus 4y equals 14. So on one side we have the number 14, but on the other side we have the number 2x plus 4y. We don't know what x and y are equal to yet, but they're still numbers. So we can subtract from the first equation the second one. I'll show you what I mean. Here I've rewritten it in a column manner, and we have 2x plus y equals 3 is the first equation, and we subtract the second equation from it after we've already multiplied it by 2. So the 2x's will just go away, which was what we wanted. Y minus 4y is negative 3y, and 3 minus 14 is negative 11. Finally, dividing both sides by negative 3 gives us y equals 11 over 3. So we've already found what one of the variables equals to. To find what x equals to, all we have to do is plug in y into one of the equations. And again, I'm highlighting. We're subtracting two equal numbers from both sides of the equation. That's why the elimination method works. The secret is that if x plus 2y equals 7 and we plug in y equals 11 over 3, then we get x plus 22 over 3 equals 7. So now we solve for x. We just subtract both sides by 22 over 3, and we have to find the common denominator. This simplifies to 21 over 3 minus 22 over 3, which is just negative 1 over 3, so negative a third. So we get x equals negative a third. So now all we have to do is check to make sure that our answer works. We just plug it into both of the equations. The first equation is 2x plus y equals 3. If we plug in what we got for x and y, we end up with 2 times negative a third plus 11 over 3 equals 3. Well, negative 2/3 plus 11/3 is the same as 9 over 3, which simplifies this 3, which indeed does equal to 3, so we have a true statement. So we're all good on the first equation. Now we just gotta check the second equation. That is x plus 2y equals 7. So we plug in our x and our y, and we get negative a third plus 2 times 11 thirds equals 7. This simplifies to negative a third plus 22 over 3 equals 7, or 21 over 3 equals 7. Well, 7 over 7 equals 7 is true, so we're all good. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching this video lesson.